How's everyone doing? Luna and I are alone today. Hiked up a trail to a familiar spot that you might recognize. Did my very first shave outdoors from this location. Luna and I are doing some trust exercises. Right, Luna? Brought some bacon with me as a weapon. A peaceful weapon. So, using my Sterling bowl again today. This is that's the lid there to Luna's water bowl that she's about to spill again. As you can see, it's a collapsible bowl, and that's exactly what these Sterling bowls are, except for you have the nubs. Hey, Luna, come back, baby. Good girl, come to Dad. Stay with Dad. Here's my setup. I got the two mirrors right here, my tripod. This is that same tree that I've hooked up to before. Happy Friday the 13th. This is the shirt my mom got me a while back. Luna's so happy out here. So you may recognize this spot. It's definitely overgrown since I was up here in March? I believe that's when I did my first outdoor shave. Today I'm using my vintage Flying Eagle. I'll be using a Gillette Super Stainless, Emerge from Soap Commander, and my original, getting buzzed by a mosquito, sorry, and my original Boss Knot from Sawdust Creation Studios, Bobby Moffett. How you doing? It is Friday the 13th, one of my favorite holidays, non-holidays. I'm using the older box of the Gillette stainless before they switched it to the laser print. Talk about that a little bit more in a minute. You can see here the two differences with the new boxing, the new packaging. Gillette started adding the number 5 right here. That's one of the most noticeable differences. You also will have like QR codes. And the older ones didn't. They still have a barcode, of course, but not the QR code. And then the added additional thing, like I've talked about before with the Perma-Sharps, was they changed it from a print with the lettering to laser etching. And that's this, I don't know about this spot here today, guys. And buzzed all over the place by mosquitoes. So, laser etching today to help with counterfeiting versus the print of old. Waiting for the sunshine to come. It's been one of the wettest springs ever. I want to again congratulate Dave and thank Phil. Dave won the Bricktown giveaway for 6 1-ounce travel size jars. This is a vintage Flying Eagle. They're made in China. Not very many of them ever made it to the States due to trade embargoes and other things that were going on at the time. I have this, I don't know, honestly, don't know exactly what kind of plastic this is, if it's a Bakelite or what it is. It is a harder, more brittle plastic. I need to look that up, and maybe I'll add it to the left or right there. Again, today's soap is Emerge from Soap Commander, and that is spiced lavender and ambritt. It's absolutely beautiful up here, absolutely quiet. We've had a lot of rain, so you can hear a stream running over here that wasn't running before, or maybe the mic is picking it up. I will attach at the end of the video a couple of previous clips from when I was up here before. I already started working on my lather a little bit. Got my Sawdust Creations original boss knot. And this is the one that Bobby's replacing. He was happy with the ones that he was getting. This is one of the ones that he was happy with, but the ones that he's been getting of late, he's not been happy with, and so that's why he's been looking to replace it. I'm forgetting my rubber band here. Wife is texting me. I got the do not disturb on, but there's a few people that can still get through. The spiced Ambritt, I was looking that up to see exactly what a spiced lavender was, and it's kind of open to interpretation. I think I squirreled out there too. Thank you again, Phil. And congratulations again, Dave. Before this video is over, I'll announce the next giveaway. Oh yeah. Spice lavender is kind of open to interpretation is what I learned. If I'm wrong, someone please correct me below. But I was doing a little bit of homework before I came up here today. This is the spring fragrance from last year. One of the reasons why I wanted to use it today is Carrie still has some of it left, and it's all half off. I picked mine up last year, so unfortunately I paid full price. But right now you can get a 6-ounce tub for $8.75 of the Emerge. And I checked Sheila's inventory on her website, and she has 14 of those still in stock. So the spiced lavender is, what I gather, is basically what they add to the lavender themselves. What Carrie has added to this is a woods note, orange blossom, sage, and sea salt. And then you have the lavender. Ambritt, that's another one that I just looked up and learned. It comes from a seed, like a plant, and they get the oil from the seed. Where you going, baby? Stay with Dad. And it's kind of musky. In fact, from what I was reading about it, is Ambritt is often used in a product called Ambrox or Ambroxan, and what they do with that is it's most commonly used as a substitute for ambergris. Ambergris is a musky fragrance. Stay with Dad. It's a musky fragrance that's very expensive, and so when they do the Ambroxan, it's basically like a synthetic substitute. These Flying Eagles are mild. They're kind of a tech clone, not quite, but they are. I'll attach the little, oh shoot, I can't think of what they're called, where the pins go in. You might be able to see there in the video how they're got an extra little nub there. So you do get some pretty good securement, so that you don't get as much chatter as you would with some of the other vintage blades or razors. So the dimensions are that of a 50s tech, but they did do the unique posts. The posts are definitely unlike anything I've ever seen on a tech. I hear you. This Luna is a 1.5 year old purebred German Shepherd. Got her when she was 8 weeks old. And I want to get her to the point where she and I can go out on trips. And once we get away from people, I can completely let her off leash and know that she's going to stay with me. Right, Luna? What are you doing? I can hear her. She's ruffling around over there. Hey, come to Dad. You want a treat? Give me 1 second, guys. Here she comes. I see you. Come on. My wife would be nervous. She's not going to go far. I know she won't. Otherwise I wouldn't let her off like this. I highly recommend this soap. I love it. It's light, fresh, herby, or herbaceous, I guess would be the right word. Not herby. Luna. I know I didn't give you that bacon, did I? And now you're like, what the hell, I'm out of here. Loon, come back, babe. I'd really like to get to the point, though, that she and I can come out here and do these shaves. Together and not have to worry about chaining her up or anything like that. I figure the only way to do it is the only way to ever get her to where I want her to be is to do it, right? Next giveaway that we'll kick off will be from Gareth at the Shave Supply. Shave Supply used to be, what was it, Handlebar Supply? Or a Handlebar Co. Stupid skeeters. Said it before and I'll say it again. It's not an outdoor shave with Toby. Unless he's getting buzzed by something. So far I haven't had any land on my forehead. Get out of here, you little bastard. Luna, come get these bugs. Hi, baby. I think it's Handlebar Supply, though, is what Garrett's company was before. He changed it in the last year or two. And so it's not a new company, but... No. Hey. No, it's okay. Luna, it's okay. Stay with Dad. You're okay. Killer. Sometimes call her Cujo. But the Shave Supply name is definitely more reflective overall of what Gareth is doing. You know, the handlebar, referring to the handlebar mustache. Hey, hey, hey. It's not worth it. Stay with your daddy. Want some bacon? Hey, want some treats? Can you guys see her? Yeah. Stay with Dad. Thank you. You're a good girl. You're such a good girl. Give me a minute and I'll give you more, okay? I got one more pass to do. One more pass, Luna. Love Carrie's base. It is a vegan base. I don't care if it's tallow or vegan or not. All I'm looking for is performance. And in my opinion, tier 1 vegan soaps can and do perform just as well or better than most tallow soaps on the market. You may disagree, but I'm a huge fan of Phoenix Artisan and Soap Commander, and I'm also a huge fan of Barrister and Man and Sterling. You got, you know, 2 tallows right there and 2 vegans. As you can see, I think, hopefully, this camera, because I got a great lather going on right now. Look at that. This stuff smells great, you guys. It's not a lavender fragrance. I can pick up the lavender in there a little bit. I think in this case the lavender is more of a supporting character, because that spiced the muskiness from the Ambritt, and then the woods, the orange blossom, the sage, and the sea salt are all just coming together to make this emerging, if you will, pun intended, fragrance. And it's a light, masculine, spring, summer scent. And for $8.75 for a 6-ounce tub, you can't go wrong. While you're at it, I highly recommend grabbing some of her bath bars. And if you got a significant other, wife or girlfriend, grab her one of the ones that you think she'd like, and she will most likely thank you. My wife is hooked on them, and so is my sister. I turned both of them on to Soap Commander, and my sister actually puts in her own orders to Soap Commander now, and she's actually bought me some shave soaps while buying herself stuff. Most recently was she got me Memories, and that was their winter fragrance from 21 this last winter. That's all sold out now. I do have a giveaway coming with Carrie in a little bit. We're going to do a pre-release giveaway of a summer fragrance, so that'll be coming in a few weeks, or maybe less. It's starting to rain now. It wasn't supposed to rain until 3 o'clock. It's 2:40. Weatherman just about nailed it for once. So let's kick off the giveaway. I'm going to do some cleanups. Where you at, Looney Tooney? Let's kick off the giveaway for Shave Supply. And in the comments below, let's do thanks Gareth. No, let's just do Shave Supply. Let's stick with what we've been doing. So just type in Shave Supply, and that'll get you entered in to win $25 gift card from Gareth. Technical difficulties there, guys. Let's see where this is at when I get home and do my editing. I'm gonna try and get this uploaded tonight. I was saying it's Friday. Let's do the giveaway until Wednesday. I'll say it again because I'm not sure where the video cut out on me a moment ago. Type in Gareth. Type in the Shave Supply in the comments below. In the giveaway on Wednesday the 18th at 8 p.m. my time, and Pacific. Oh, it smells so good. Overdid it, but that's okay. I'm rushing. She and I got a long hike back down out of here, and the rain was picking up. I was hoping to be done before the rain hit. Thanks again for tuning in. Luna's eating the tree below me. Shave Supply. Comments below. Congratulations again to Dave. Thanks again, Phil. Have a great weekend. Legs, got it hanging upside down. The backdrop for today's shave. My beautiful bride, our beautiful shepherd, Luna. It's starting to sprinkle. It wasn't supposed to rain until 3. But that's fine. We're Oregonians, and we've learned how. Good girl. Ready?